crazy as it is, my main channel got hacked. And for some reason, the Dirty Dozen, that dusty crowd of folks, well, he just hacked this, he deleted his channel so he could make off all these people's money. So this is the process. My channel got hacked. YouTube knows it got hacked, and I'm in the process of trying to get it back. It's a nightmare. It's a fucking nightmare. So eventually I'll get it back. Don't know when. And it's crazy. I fucking hate these people. Now, what I mean by these people? Hackers. They don't build shit. They just go ahead and latch on to someone else who's built some stuff. The hackers who got my account ran a live stream, and they had like 7,000 people on the live stream. It was some type of crypto con, right? And I'm just sitting there like, Earl Nightingale said this: if you just do the right work, you can make all the money you need. More money you need, right? People. So I got hacked, and it's crazy how people are looking at this whole situation, because they came after my channel because I've been getting a lot of attention. I've been doing that rah-rah shit, right? So they came after my channel, and they ran, and it was not just my channel. They hit a bunch of folks. So like I said, YouTube knows my channel has hacked, and they're going to work on getting it back, because essentially there was this automated procedure that was supposed to happen. It doesn't work. So I had to contact somebody, and then, and like I said, I have no clue to when I'm getting it back. I don't even know. I have no clue. So that's where we are. That's what's going on. And, I haven't posted in like a year and a half, but I came back on the main channel November 30th. I was rocking and rolling, getting views and stuff. Then all of a sudden, the hackers come. And I hate these people, because all they want to do is siphon off of folks who are doing something. So, it is what it is. But yeah, that's what happened. I got hacked, and it's crazy how people will speculate. I left YouTube. People thought I was dead. People were making fun of me. There was one person, I'm not going to mention her name because she's a stupid ass bitch. But all these folks were coming for me, and I just left YouTube. I got really, really frustrated. So we will see what happens. But yeah. And also, this creates a problem for what I was doing. I was selling this program. I was selling it really, really well. Now, can't sell it because I got hacked. And I'm just sitting there like, so we got to figure that out, and we got to think about it. So that's all I'm letting you guys know. So I will talk to you later.